A curious rabbit named Ella lived in a sunny meadow. Ella loved exploring new places every day. One morning, she found herself near a dense forest. Intrigued, she hopped inside and heard strange noises. To her surprise, a young zebra named Maxine was crying. Maxine was lost, separated from her herd. Compassionate Ella offered to help Maxine find her way back. Together, they ventured deeper into the unknown forest. Ella and Maxine shared stories, forming a bond. Days later, they stumbled upon Maxine's herd. Grateful Maxine introduced Ella to her family. Ella and Maxine vowed to stay friends forever. Maxine's herd welcomed Ella with open hearts. Ella often visited, bringing tales from the meadow. Their friendship taught them courage and understanding. Ella and Maxine remained lifelong companions.